Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Vikas Kumar on my YouTube platform Agriverse Education. Friends, in today's video we will discuss the current affairs of 10th of January 2023. And friends, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and please also visit our other platforms like in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Telegram. In Telegram, if you search Agrarian 11, you will get the lecture notes and daily quizzes. So let's begin today's video. First question is for you. What is the MSP of lentils for the Rabi marketing season 23 to 24? Options are 2125 per quintals, 6000 per quintals, rupees 5450 per quintals, and option D 5335 per quintals. Comment the right answer on our comment section. So let's begin with the first current affairs question. Which of the following country will host 6th edition of Africa Agri Expo in February 2023? Question is important. Options are Kenya, Cuba, Israel and none of the above. The right answer is option A, Kenya. In Kenya there is a place Nairobi. In Nairobi, Kenya, there will be the Africa Agri Expo in February 2023. Next question is, which of the following country approves use of world's first vaccine for the honeybees? Options are India, China, France and USA. The right answer is option D, USA. So USA is the first country which approves world's first vaccine for the honeybees. Next question, and this is very important for AFO exam. Recently, ICR NBAGR, National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, registers 10 new indigenous livestock breeds. Currently, what is the total number of registered indigenous livestock breed in India? And it is related to animal husbandry, and options are 152, 212, 512 and 113. The right answer is option B, 212. So 212 registered indigenous livestock breeds in India. Let's discuss what are the breeds which are added recently. There are 3 cattle breeds and 1 buffalo breed, 3 goat breed and 3 pig breeds. In the cattles, Kathani, Sankori, Masilum. They are the cattle breeds, and in this, this is not Kathani, this is Pathani. Pathani is a dual purpose cattle and it possesses good draftability and among these the Pathani breed is a dual purpose cattle breed, and it is a very good draftability and also it is very suited to marshy land condition for paddy cultivation, just like the Dangi breed of Madhya Pradesh. And there is a 1 buffalo breed. The name is Purna Thadi and it is of Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. And there are 3 goat breeds, namely Sojat, Karoli and Gujari, and this belongs to the Rajasthan state. And there are 3 pig breeds, Banda, Manipuri Black and War Chambil. Manipuri Black is a native of Manipur, Banda is from Jharkhand and War Chambil is from the Garo Hill of Meghalaya. The next question is, the Union Ministry of Agriculture launched Farmers Grievance Redressal Portal FGR on which of the following state? And this is the first state in which the FGR program or FGR portal is being started as a pilot project. So the right answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh state, the Union Ministry of Agriculture launched Farmer Grievance Redressal Portal and it is related to the crop insurance. Basically, through this portal, farmer will be able to find solution to their problems related to farming and especially the crop insurance. And farmers may also file a complaint related to the farmings. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी आज की वीडियो और मैं आपसे दोबारा बोलूँगा कि जो हमारे डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, एग्रेरियन 11 सर्च करिए, टेलीग्राम पे जाइए, वहाँ पे क्विज अटेम्प्ट करिए, वहाँ पे आपको लेक्चर की पीडीएफ्स भी आपको मिलते रहेंगे. तो दोस्तों आज के लिए बस इतना ही, मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट टाइम. टिल देन टाटा, बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.